Okay, I did some researching, and Set J was one of the last field phones fielded by the British using the letter designation. They basically range from letter C through J. Any of the British viewers out there who watch this, I apologize if that's incorrect. Fielding was from the end of World War II into the 1970s. The operator's manual I have was actually printed in 1945, and this phone itself has actually got a check date of 78 on it, so I mean, it was pretty rugged. It was being used. It's a ruggedized phone, steel case. It doesn't have any real weather seals on it, although it is immersion proof if you were to try to submerge it in water. It had numerous locations to put carry straps on it and such, and that was it. Okay, we'll go ahead and open her up. Standard latch on it. Like all British field phones, it has the operating instructions inside the cover. Has a schematic diagram. Has a standard handset with a PTT on it right here. These are the binding posts right here where you connected up your field wire. It used a large 3-volt battery, one of the big square batteries like all the other older British phones use. I actually replaced it with a little pack that holds 2 AAA batteries. It has enough to work. These spots right here, these were where you could connect an external headset if you wanted to monitor stuff going on. And this is the actual binding post right here where you connected the binding for the field wire. It operated either a common battery or local battery mode. You actually would take this cover off, and there's little jumpers you set for either common battery or local battery. Right now I have it set in local battery. Then this key switch right here was used when you were in common battery mode to signal whether you were on hook or off hook with the switchboard. So if you wanted to call the switchboard, you would pick the thing up that would give them an indication that you wanted to make a call. When you finish your call, you'd push the button done. In common battery mode, it has no bearing on what's going on. It is a hand crank magneto right here to send a ring signal right there. It has a bell in it. The bell is a constant volume, so there's no adjustment on it. I'll go ahead right now and shut down, and we'll hook up a TA312 and make some calls. Okay, I have my TA312 hooked to it now. I'll go ahead and I'll call from the 312 to the Set J. You can hear it ringing there. Not very loud, fixed volume. We'll go ahead and make a quick call. Loud and clear there. Now I'll go ahead and I'll call the other way. We'll call to the 312. Make sure it's turned up all the way. So that's pretty much it. Range on this is limited to probably 15 to 25 miles. It depends on the wiring you're using, like all the other 2-wire field phones. It also will interface with any of the other 2-wire analog field phones that I've done videos on. And this was a quick video on the British telephone Set J. Thanks for watching.